What's up, my YouTube friends? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today we're back on this channel showing you guys how we lower vans. We know that these high lifted vans are no fun to get into. So, I mean, look at this. I just want to show you guys how easy, like, I barely put up my foot, and then I have this, I'm in my luxury lazy boy recliner here. You know, I mean, how awesome is that? This thing is, I'm gonna tell you though, I love the color. I think that maybe we need to put some like 20-inch Daytons on this, and then that thing would look sick. Maybe we will bring it in the shop and do it. I don't know, maybe even some 20-inch Methods. What do you guys think of that new Method hat? Man, have you guys seen all kinds of swag they got on there? I just don't even know. I might just be rambling on this one, guys. I mean, who knows? I mean, do you like it lowered? Would you go this route? What do you think? I mean, we're talking like, this is like motor helm low. Like, holy cow, this thing is low. Parking lot cruiser, that's what we're doing now. Forget overlanding. Dude, we overland in Walmart parking lots now. Speed bumps. Not a problem with this thing. Well, I'm done. You know that I can never leave these things like this. I can't do it. I had to come out here and have some fun with this thing because this thing is just so ridiculously low to the ground. And I love the GTRVs because one thing I really love about these things is this like ultra slim pop top, which is on a lot of the Westphalias. And we're gonna get into the whole thing. We'll get into the inside of this build. We're gonna do a ton of killer stuff to this van. This is going to be a fun build. It's going to be our 6-inch kit, and I got the Method hat on because of course we're going to throw a awesome set of Method wheels at this and put it on some 285 BFG tires. So that's it. No more lowered vans, no more. We're done with that. Let's go lift this thing. So with the outside completely done, I thought I would come on the inside and just hang out because this thing is super sweet. I got some popcorn cooking in the microwave right now. And then, I mean, I love this. This is the inside of these GTRVs. I totally wanted to pop the top in there, but there's two big tags on there that say, do not open. So I guess I'm not allowed to open up the top to show you guys just how cool this is inside here. Now, of course, this is an E150 and this thing is slammed to the ground, which is rad because you can completely get to your favorite camp spots that everybody wants to go to, you know, so you can be camping with crowds in this, and that's what's ideal, right? Meanwhile, I have a awesome new footrest here that I get to use as well. And I was thinking what better thing to do would be to maybe put this on a pedestal. We could put a piece of glass here, and then that would just be like a table too. Like, who has that in their van? I mean, I got a Method table in my van. So the inside of this is really cool. Please comment below and let me know what you guys think of the outside and of this inside. What maybe I missed? I don't know. What else do you guys want to see? Comment below and let me know. Maybe I'll show you where I could put an awesome Method wheel. Maybe this has something that matches this, and that's why it's actually sitting here. Now that I'm thinking about it, there's probably 4 more of these Method wheels and BFG tires somewhere. Maybe they're in the shop. Let's go see if we can find some more of these where they're at. Let's go. So I finally figured out how to put out this chin table, and I guess what this is designed for now is so that you can just sit here and eat really fast. I don't know, this thing's kind of high. Maybe it needs to be flipped around. What do I know? Or maybe this thing just sits so high because it's not slammed on the ground anymore. Now it's all coming together. Now it's all making sense. Not that any of my videos ever really make sense, but we're having fun doing it, and hopefully you enjoy watching our craziness. So, yes guys, we couldn't leave this thing on the ground. That would just be ridiculous. So, Baja grocery getter on an E150 GT RV. I mean, this thing is beautiful. We did have to do a lot of cutting here, so if you have one, just know that you're gonna have to do some trimming here on the skirting in order to get all of this to fit in there. And what we did do in there is we're running our King shocks on this, which are extra special and awesome. I mean, we love that. Now, the one reason that we also had to trim the bumper on the front of this is we are running our extended radius arms. And when we do those extended radius arms, we do push all this forward. If you don't have those, you're definitely gonna run into even more rubbing, which you don't want. And as we poke our head around the corner of this, you're also gonna see an awesome King steering stabilizer as well. And now here at WeldTec Designs, you're able to get the King front shocks, rear shocks, and steering stabilizers, all with our custom valving in it. So if you're looking for something different other than the Foxes, you're able to do so, which is always cool. We like giving you guys all kinds of different options when it comes to lifting your van or RV, whatever it may be. So, I mean, this looks beautiful. These are the Method Envies. This is a 17 by 8.5 inch wheel, and these are a 285/70/17 tire. I mean, it's gorgeous. Let's go check out the back of this thing. And as we jump to the back of this, I want to show you more awesome stuff. But in order to see that awesome stuff, you guys gotta head over to there, to Growing Up Garage. Guys, help me out. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers over on Growing Up Garage. Help Caden out. The kid loves being here at the shop, and he loves teaching other kids about tools and about racing. It's something that is our goal and mission here at WeldTec Designs, to help, you know, more kids learn about tools, because it's just something that we feel is missing, and you probably would agree. I mean, if you agree, comment below and say, hey, I went and subscribed, and maybe we'll throw out we'll do some giveaways. Caden loves giving away cool hats. So anyways, back to this kit, we are talking, you can see we have that beautiful Method Envy wheel as well. So in the back of this, we're not running blocks. We've actually done our full custom spring pack in there, and you can see that giant springs in there, as well as the King shocks. Now, something else that we did really cool on this particular van is we also added gears and a locker to the rear of it. We put an ARB locker in it, and I will take you around to the side of it. I can show you where we mounted the compressor, put the switches. So if you're thinking about adding an ARB to your van, well, we got lots of ideas for you. So as we come around to the driver's side, typically that's where we're gonna mount all of your ARB components. So as Austin takes a look under there, you're gonna see that you have the ARB compressor and solenoid. We also have added a pump up kit to it as well, so that way if you wanna air up your tires, you have the ability to do so. We also make a really nice aluminum mounting plate. So if you want to install your ARB compressor, solenoid, any of that yourself, and you want a simple way to do it, we do make an aluminum mounting plate, and I'll even throw down a link down below this, so then that way if you want to just click on that link and go over to our website and purchase it, you have the ability to do so. Let's jump back inside this thing and show you guys where we mounted the switches. So as we jump inside this, you're gonna see that we have two ARB switches right here. The first one is going to be for the compressor, and as I hit that, you're gonna hear the compressor kick on. And then the second one is going to be to engage the locker, and you're gonna hear it just click on for a second. Now we both have the air compressor on and the locker, which is really nice. Now we're not necessarily gonna need the locker because we're here in the parking lot, but let's say you wanna take this nice new air compressor pump up kit and you wanna pull out your hose that's gonna be in there. You can plug, the hose is gonna come with a quick release fitting like so. And that just is going to plug into your new air compressor mount, and then you can air up your tires if you have an air pressure gauge, which is going to be, or a tire pressure gauge, well I guess not gauge, but just the whole fill me up thing, tire tire inflator device, a tire inflating device. Yes, that's what you're going to need to inflate your tires. So you can hear that cycling on. So another thing that you can do if you want, you can also run an air tank to it as well if you want more air volume, but we felt that it wasn't really necessary in this particular van. So a lot of really cool things. I'm sure we're going to be doing some other things to this van, so who knows, maybe there will be a round 2 and we can do a little update video. But overall, that's going to be everything that we did to this particular van. And if you guys have any questions, like I always say, comment below. I would love to help you out. I'd love to hear what you guys think. What do you guys prefer? Do you like the GT RVs better, or are you a Sportsmobile fan? I'd love to hear what you think. Otherwise, that's all I got. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.